My son and I have been doing some 3D printing, and I thought you might want to see some of the things we've been doing. Some of them are artistic, like these things. These are maps. And so, for example, this first one is Germany. And then we have the good old USA there. And then off to this side, we have Thailand. Looks like the head of an elephant. Let's see. We also have things like his donuts. He made some donuts. Let me get some contrast underneath there. Contrast, these are donuts he made, and you can actually see the sprinkles on top. So these are some initial early samples he made in small size. Let's see. We have this, which is a dodecahedron. And yes, so lots of interesting shapes. What's interesting about this is you can actually print these one inside the other. Yeah, you can do that with some machine tools. You can cut one out, but this is an additive process, so there's a lot less waste. And it's kind of cool how you can get the different figures out of there. Okay, so that will set that off to the side. Oh, yeah, there's these things like this is a famous thing by Leonardo da Vinci. What is it called? The Vitruvian Man? Something like that. I don't recall. So there's that. And then there's the Vitruvian hummingbird. Like that one. Let's see, what else do we have? These are Klein bottles. So these are the same thing. This is a one surface object, and you can see this better. I mean, it goes through here, comes up through here, and it's all just got, it doesn't cross any edges, so it's just one long surface. So again, all artistic type stuff. Let's see, what else we got going? Oh, yeah, there's these are the masks, models of the masks that the doctors wore during the Black Plague, and they would stuff the nose with sweet-smelling stuff because they thought the plague was caused by bad air. And then we have the really large version of this, like that. And yeah, so that's that. So these again are more artistic things. Now we can go on to the more mechanical stuff, more utility stuff. There's this thing which my son made to keep his, well, it'll keep SD cards or USB thumb drives, stuff like that. There's this rather interesting bolt, which you can see, yeah, one is a right-hand thread and the other is a left-hand thread. So, yeah, it's that kind of thing. Let's see what else. Oh, I like this. This is just a little box that was printed all at one time. This was not printed in individual pieces and assembled. It's actually printed all at one time. Let's see what else we got. Oh, I've made a video about this. Won't go through it all, but this is a steam engine. It's actually more like compressed air engine, because if you ran steam through here, the plastic would melt. But yeah, that was printed. And getting down to the last few things, this is a model of the thing that goes on top of the a ballpoint pen, a clicker. Now this is going to be loud, so warning. Like that. And this is another version of that. You can actually see how it works. This is the insides of this. Yeah, so lots of interesting things that you can 3D print. Okay, well that was it for now. I hope you found that useful and interesting in your 3D printing, or if you're just interested in buying one or thinking about buying one or whatever. Anyway, okay, well until next time.